Hello everyone. This July, Microsoft Cloud Advocacy team is celebrating July OT, a month full of IoT contents. As a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, I have got the opportunity to work as a content reviewer and Bengali translator for the Iot-for Beginners, a 12 weeks 24 lessons curriculum that is absolutely free for everyone. Microsoft has sent all of the contributors a gift. Let me share. Here comes Grove Smart Agriculture Kit with Raspberry Pi 4, which is designed for Microsoft FarmBeats for students, and I have received it today. Let's unbox the bag. Okay, so as you can see, it's a precision agriculture experience for school and home. So this is designed for FarmBeats for the students, and we have Microsoft and CUET working together here. So if we just open up the pack, we can see here. First of all, it seems like a temperature sensor. Yes, it's a one-wire temperature sensor. And next, this big pack, it's I guess it's a USB to TTL cable. Okay, and then here comes a wall adapter. Yes, it's a C type. Okay, so now here comes a moisture sensor. Looks pretty fine. Okay, here you go, a relay switch, and I guess it's a double button. Yeah, it's a dual button from Groove. Yeah, looks pretty fine. Here comes the temperature and humidity sensor, one of the most common sensors we use in our beginner friendly projects. Now I guess it's a sunlight sensor. Looks pretty cool. I guess it will be very fun to use. And now, oh, there's something small here. What's it? Let's open it. It's a bit tough to open. It's a tiny screwdriver. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a very tiny screwdriver. Okay, I guess it's a card reader. Yeah, it's a card reader. Here comes the memory card, and yeah, this is a SD card reader, 32 GB card. Yeah, looks very fine. Okay, now here comes the Raspberry Pi Grove base hat that we'll be using over our Raspberry Pi and connect them together. And here comes the Raspberry Pi 4 model P. So just open it. Let's open it. Yeah, here comes the Raspberry Pi. Looks pretty nice, as you can see. So yeah, these are the things that we have been gifted, and I think it will be very fun to use all these stuffs.